Hey everyone, it's Janae. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to give you guys a mini off-campus room tour. This apartment I just moved in August and I really like it. For my room, I wanted to go with a gold and white theme and I think it came out really well. Most of the things that I purchased for my room to look the way it does came from Ross and Marshalls, and obviously other places, but those were the two main places that I shopped for this look. So if you enjoyed this tour, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below if I inspired you. So as you walk in, this is what you see. It's a decent sized room. I like it. Here's my bed, and my closet doors are full body mirrors. So this is the wall above my bed, canvas that I really like that I got from Marshalls. This shelf I got from Ross I really liked because I have a lot of little things, so I needed a place to put my little things, and I think it came along nice. I got a tray from Marshalls and that candle. Here's my dresser, pretty nice size. This rug I got from Ross. Right here is a little nightstand, I guess. I put like my gifts and pictures on it. Candle I got from Marshalls. This picture frame was given to me from my dance team. Shout out to Substance. That's me right there and my mother. And some cards. I have an oil diffuser behind there. Above that I have a hashtag light, a canvas, and another canvas. I don't remember where I got them from. Had them for a little while. Here's my desk with my laptop and my planner, inspiring, to get me through the day. Here's my bed, probably one of my favorite parts of my room. I actually have it lifted so that I could fit my stuff under it. My pillows I got from Marshalls. This really soft blanket I got from Marshalls, and I think this bed set I got from Marshalls. The comforter and the pillowcases. So as you walk inside my bathroom, here's like a quick overview. It's really cute. I love the shower rod because it curves, and I think that's really unique. And I went with a blue, gray, and a touch of purple kind of theme. Here's my sink. And yeah, don't mind me, I look a mess. But here's my circular mirror. I think that's really cute. This clock I've had for years. I think I got it from Walmart. Have my makeup bin, Vanity Planet, spin brush, and my other products that I use. This toilet holder I got, or toilet paper holder I got from Walmart. Here's my sink again, and my mirror. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed my room just as much as I do. Don't forget to leave a comment down below what you liked about it, what you didn't like about it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!